welcome to another video, and in today's video it will be a slightly different video from all the others, and we'll be doing a lorry video. We are fixing a lorry, but I haven't brought a lorry into this channel, so it has a starting issue. Maybe it's the alternator and it's not charging, or it is the starter that the brushes have worn out. So I'm going to the garage. We go see Kevin. Obviously you have heard him. You have heard me mention him in all the other videos. So we are going to the garage. I've already called him. So we are going to the garage and see if we can fix the problem. And hopefully we will. Make sure to like the video and subscribe and comment to the video. Enjoy the video. Before we go, we have an obstacle to deal with. Unfortunately, I have to push start the lorry. So push starting is where you let the car roll and use the gearbox to start the car. Basically, make sure that the car is on fast. So that is the lorry. You have to use it. And this, that small stone is the obstacle, so that we can let it roll that way. Let's hope that it doesn't roll when I finish up with that. I don't know if it's luck, but I decided to try and see if it can start. It starts randomly, so I didn't know if it would start, but I don't know if it's luck or it's something else, but it started. Yes. So let's go now to the garage and fix the problem. The problem is you don't know when it will start and when it will not. So for me to be sure, I have to go and have it checked. Hope that I don't find the police on the road. If you know, you know. Yeah. Let's go. Let's go. That's my dog. I don't know what it's doing. Let's go to Kevin. Also, an interesting thing with this lorry is that, I don't know if you can see, it has 2,598 for something I can't see clear kilometers. I also think that this lorry is older than me. Yeah. All those miles, that's mine. But now let's go. Engage rivers. Woo. Let's go. Let's get out of here. Gear one. Ah, nice. Let's go. Also, this lorry doesn't have power steering. It's so hard to steer. It's so hard. But when it's moving, it's a little bit easier. Oh man. Okay, let's go now. Let's go see the doctor. Okay, see you. Okay, so I found Kevin working on another car. In this case, it was a small car that had a starter issue and the brushes were worn out. As you can see, I'm holding that worn out brush there. So it is the issue that I'm suspecting the lorry has, but I guess we'll find out. Yeah. So yeah, he was working on it, and he was bolting up. He was winding up with it, as you can see. Then he went over so here he was testing it out to see if it works. So and then we proceeded to looking at the lorry, and before he tested out the starter and saw that the starter was okay. So here, as you can see, that one is the alternator. So he tested out and saw that the batteries didn't have enough charge. So the next issue was the alternator. So as you can see, he's taking out the wires, and the light that shows on the dashboard that the car is charging, if it's not showing, the car won't charge. That's what I came out to. That's what Kevin told me. So here we are fixing so for it to show on the dashboard that the car is charging, because without that the car won't charge nevertheless. Yeah, so these are the wires he's taking out. And so, well, after checking out the wires that go to the alternator, we proceeded to go to the dashboard, because the problem was mainly there at the dashboard, because the wires were indicating that the alternator is good. So we proceeded to dismantle the dashboard, and this is Kevin removing the trim that goes around the the instrument cluster, so that we can have the access to the back of that instrument cluster. Yes, so we did that. We went and bought wire, and we wired. The problem between the alternator and the dashboard was a fuse. So I bought a fuse and bought wire worth 200 Kenya shillings, and the issue was fixed. Yeah, after fixing the broken fuse and wiring the car, the time came to put everything together. And this is me bolting up the instrument cluster into place, bolting it's held together by four screws, and then the trim that goes around the instrument cluster held by also four screws. Yeah, and we were done with it, and the job was done. Basically, it wasn't a big issue. It was just a wiring and a broken fuse. So we put everything together and finished the business for the day and went home. So it's the next day. Let's see if it starts. Let's see if it starts. Okay, battery is connected. So let's see if it starts. Holy shit, it might not start. What the hell? It might not start. I don't know. Let's hope it starts. I accidentally left it. No. It starts. Fingers crossed. Fingers crossed. Okay. Oh, shit. Okay, let's see if it starts. I think I know where the issue is. Okay. Yes, it starts. So, problem is fixed. Yes! But always make sure that you check the oil and the water or coolant. Make sure you do that. Let's go.